Boom, wagwan, peeps. You don't know Adrian the chef is in the building. You know, I haven't been posting for quite a while now, but you know what I mean? I'm back now. You know, sometimes you have to take a bit of time to get your things sorted out, innit? But you don't know, tonight on the menu, I'm going to do some steam fish tonight. Yeah, I'm going to do steam fish tonight. So I'm going to take you on the journey with me as well. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm going to do steam fish tonight. Take you on the journey with me as well. I'm gonna do some snapper. You get me? Snapper, steam fish, and I'm gonna show you the way how I prepare my steam fish. Seen, but you don't know the right thing, you know. You don't know the right thing what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Chef Adrian is in the building. You don't know my slogan already, don't? Grab a cup of coffee, grab a cup of tea, and leave the cooking to me. But if it's your first time over here, you don't know the thing, subscribe to the channel, share up the thing, tell a friend to tell a friend. Chef Adrian is in the building. But you don't know, guys, let's go. And also, guys, if you need the full recipe, just drop me a comment. You know what I mean? Drop me a comment and then I'll give you the recipe. See? I'm out again. Go, guys. Steam fish, beautiful serve.
September we met. I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like
Okay, guys, this is the recipe for today, what I'm using to do my steam fish, okay? Alright, I've got fresh thyme right here. Good. I've got carrot right here. And I've got potato right here. I've got my bell pepper right here, different colors. I've got my tomatoes right here. I've got my onion and I've got my pumpkin right here. See what I'm saying? Yeah, and I've got my okra right here, and over here I've got my scallion, and I've got my pepper, hot pepper. I've got some coconut milk. I've got my hot purpose right here, all purpose. I've got my black pepper, and I've got my fish season right here. That's all we need for today. Good? Let's go. Okay, guys, I've got my fish here. I'm just gonna give it a wash. I'm just gonna give it a clean and a wash. Good. The eyes, if you don't like the eyes, you can take it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a wash now. Here we go, guys, the fish. I'm just gonna cut it down the side like this. Good. The other one, I've just give the fish a clean and everything. 2 slices down the side there. And the reason why I'm doing this slice there is to get the seasoning down inside the fish as well, so it can marinate properly. See? Yeah, that's it right there. Here we go now, guys. What you want to do, you want to put it in the little cut what I've made in it. Rub it in. Yeah. This is how you want to do it. And put it inside there as well. But be gentle. Watch out for the bones. Yeah. Marinate that. Yeah. Just like that, guys. Make sure you get it done in there. Put it down in here as well. Just like that. Just like that, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to leave that there to marinate. I'm just going to leave that there to marinate. Have a look. Well seasoning. So I'm going to leave it there to just marinate for probably about 10-15 minutes and then get back to you. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna add a bit of butter in the pot. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a bit of butter in the pot. So I'm gonna saute all of these now. Saute all of these. I'll turn everybody in the pot. Season the pot. So what we're doing now is sauteing. Saute. Leave that there to saute for a minute or two. Alright, here you go, guys. This has been sauteing for about 5 minutes, okay? You can smell that flavor. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use some kettle water and I'm gonna add it inside there. I'm gonna add it inside here. Probably about 3 cups of water. Add it inside there, give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Add my coconut milk inside here. Yeah, it's a bit freeze up because it was in the shop. So that's it. Give it a rinse. Good. flavor. So I'm gonna give it a taste. Just a bit more seasoning. Just a bit more. Look at that, voila. I'm just gonna leave that to boil for about 15 minutes. Good? Leave it to boil for about 15 minutes and then I'll get back to it. There you go guys, 15 minutes is up. Wow, voila. That's it. Beautiful, right? So what the aim of this, you need this to be a bit soft, yeah? That's a potato, see that? Soft. Pumpkin a bit soft, yeah? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the fish. See that? Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, look at that. Beautiful, yeah? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the fish. Yeah. Right in there, on top of it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that to steam for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Good? And there we go guys. Steamed fish, beautiful serve.